Hey guys, just figured I'd jump on here for just a minute just to show everybody what the adventures are today and the next several days. Having to redo a treated lumber built deck that's roughly 10, 11 years old. That is rotted. Yeah, so yeah, pretty good size little project. But good thing is not going to be going back with the so-called treated lumber. We're going to be going back with the composite. Lifetime warranty. Yes, it's expensive, but the thing about going with the composite decking is it don't rot. You don't have to worry about it. You have to still use traditional so-called treated lumber boards, your flooring. But going to start on it, redo this, get it back up to par. I got to change some of these boards out, and but I'm going to be pressure washing and cleaning all these boards up, letting them dry out good, and I gotta take all these step boards, take all these off. Gotta check all the wood underneath there, clean it up. All my decking board that I had all this flat board all the way up around the top. All of it it's pretty much rotted and gone. Got to change 4x4 posts out. Not all of them, but down there's one on that end. Got to change some of them out because they've rotted. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my block. What time I'm got to where I can get to it, rake and clean all this up. Like I said, guys, this is 10, 11 years since this has been built, and I'd added gravel. So, but yeah, that's the adventures around the corner. Well, the adventures are at home. So, but you gotta try to make sure all of your home stuff is fixed and done and in good shape before you actually start traveling and doing anything else. So, but yeah, that's what we're into today. And like I said, there's what we're going back with. Be a lot better. Really couldn't afford to go this route right here, and we're having to rake and scrape a little bit to try to do and get this done. But it is what it is. It'll be worth it in the long run. And, you know, it's, I don't want nobody to, I've done fell through the deck over these rotted boards. So don't want it to happen again, and it'll look nicer and we won't have to worry about it. So, but I just wanted to make this little short video, and just anybody wants to like, subscribe, follow me, you know, just letting everybody know what the adventures are. And this is it for right now. So guys, until next time, we'll see you. Thanks.